recording you here. Good afternoon, children. Children, good afternoon. Hello.
Good afternoon, sir.
Am I audible to you, children?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So, before starting, I would like to say one thing that yesterday the recording was not done properly due to low battery. So, the sound was not coming. Did you notice? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Did you get the link properly? Sound was not coming. So, I would like to repeat the same today so that you will get the proper information about that. So, the topic was invitation, formal invitation. Formal invitation. Formal invitation is also called official invitation, okay? And it is in your syllabus. It is very, very important. And thereafter, I shall teach you informal invitation with its reply next day. But today, formal invitation. So, what are the ways, what are the techniques of drafting formal invitation? Generally, it is written for any school, any organization, any institution. But mostly, since we belong to educational institutions like school, that's why the invitation will be based on school itself. So, what are the key points? We will jot down the points and have discussion over that. What are the ways, what are the key points to be followed while drafting a formal invitation? So, what is the first thing? The first thing for drafting an invitation is we have to write the name of the institution first. Okay? What is the first point to be taken care of? That is name of the institution in capital letter. Suppose I give you the illustration, that is the question. You are a student of DAV Public School, Kent Road, Khogal. Your school is going to organize its annual day celebration. Draft an invitation to be sent to all the guests. So first of all, write the question. Write the question. You are a student of DAV Public School, Kent Road, Khogal, Patna. Draft an invitation to be sent to all the guests. Invent all relevant details. Invent all possible details. This is the question. Children, note down the question fast. Before I come to the drafting a skill and its technique, note down the question first. Okay. Draft an invitation to be sent to all the, and very common and standing instruction for almost all the writing skills is invent all possible details. Okay, invent all possible details. Understand? Invent all possible details means whatever the input is required for drafting this answer, you have to supply of your own. At the same time, those inputs must be relevant to the thematic content of the invitation. Like, what are the possible details to be mentioned? So first of all, name of the institution. Name of the institution in capital letter. So for the institution, you are going to draft the invitation. So the first thing you have to write at the top, that is name of the institution. Here, name of the institution is DAV Public School, Canton, Khowal. So DAV Public School, Canton, Khowal should be written at the top in capital letter. Second, the word invitation should be written just below the name of the institution. Just below in capital letter. The word invitation. Below the name of the institution. Just below the name of the institution, centrally located. Centrally located. Centrally located. Just after the name of the institution, write the word invitation, and it should be centrally located and in capital letter, of course. Then what is the third point? The third point, the input. What are the inputs? Like while writing the invitation, what are the things required? That it must have date, it must have time duration, from to, at what time the function will start, and at what time will it continue. So time, date, time and venue. Date, host, venue, time, means duration. Duration. Okay. And next, what is the next thing required for this invitation? That is the selection of a chief guest. Naturally, the function is there and it is official, so it must have a chief guest. Chief guest. You can select the chief guest of your own. Chief guest. chief guest. So these are the inputs required. So note down fast, then I shall proceed further. Note down the information to be furnished fast. Name of the institution, capital letter. The word invitation centrally located just below the name of the institution, centrally located in capital letter. It must have a date, venue, and time, duration, chief guest. Note down, children, note down fast. Note down fast.
Written, sir. Written, sir. You can rub.
Okay. Okay, so let us start the final draft. It should be written in card form. Okay. So what is the first thing? What is the first thing to be written? Number one, as I told you, name of the institution. And what should be the name of the institution according to the question? You have to write the name of the institution as it is given in the question paper. So, DAV Public School, Kent Road, Khogol, Patna. So this would be the name of the institution. And what is the second point, children? You are able to listen to me, just have an interaction. What is the second point? That should be the word invitation centrally located in capital letter. Invitation. Name of the institution, then invitation, and now starts the body of the invitation. Since the head of the institution, the invitation is generally sent by head of the institution. That's why we start with that. So, principal, staff, and the students of DAV Public School Kent Road, Khurol. Then beseech, the specific term beseech is used, and in order to be a card form, we write like that. Beseech. What do you mean by beseech? Children, yesterday I had explained the meaning of this word beseech. What do you mean by beseech? Means to request very politely. Very humble request made to anybody for that particular purpose. We use this specific word beseech. The word beseech has come to one of the Shakespearean plays you might have studied at your standard 10, Julius Caesar. Where in the speech of Mark Antony, the word has been used, beseech. It's a very nice word, beseech your benign presence on the auspicious occasion the auspicious occasion of its annual day celebration on in between. The three inputs, as I explained earlier, the invitation requires, of course, on refers to date. So any date you like, you can put here. Venue, the place where the function will be celebrated and organized, or the time. So on you can select any date of your own. You may select 25th of January or 28th of January, whatever. On 28th of January 2021 in the school premises between 9 a.m. and 4 p.m. Nine a.m. and 4 p.m. Next. What comes next? What comes next, children? there comes the reference of the chief guest. Since the celebration is going on, it must have a chief guest. So chief guest you can select of your own. It may be any VIP, it may be the district magistrate, or maybe education minister, or maybe chief minister of the state, and maybe governor of the state. So in the previous class I was discussing about the specific terminology used for the chief guest when you select the governor. Do you remember the word? Do you remember the word used for the governor? I told you that the two specific constitutional heads of India, they command that kind of respect, and for that particular terminology is used. One, the President of India, and next the Governor of the state. And for that the word is used His Excellency. And if the personality is a female one, then you write Her Excellency. This His Excellency or Her Excellency is used only for two constitutional heads. Either head of the state, of course, chief minister and prime ministers are the practical head because they have power. But so far as constitutional heads are concerned, president at country level and governor at state level, they are the constitutional heads. So whenever you are, just have in mind that if you are selecting chief guest as President of India or Governor of Bihar or any state, you need to use this word His Excellency or Her Excellency. Understand? So, His Excellency Mr. Fargu Chauhan, Governor of Bihar. You may use another word. Bihar has kindly consented to be the chief guest. Children, are you able to see the sentences? Yes, you can. Note down first. The closing is still to be written. The principal, staff and students of DAV Public School, Kant Road, Khagal, beseech your benign presence on the auspicious occasion of its annual day celebration on 28th of January 2021 in the school premises between 9 am and 4 pm. His Excellency Mr. Fargu Chauhan, Governor of Bihar, has kindly consented to be the chief guest. Okay, and to end, since space is not here, so instead of writing here, I can write the remaining part of this later. That is, your presence on the occasion is highly solicited. And here in left side you write principal. And here RSVP. Just reply if you please. So first of all, note it down. Children, note down the final draft. You may decorate in a better way. So give a card form. First of all, you write it. First of all, you write. Write the answer fast. Confirm me that you have written. Then I shall proceed. Fast, fast. Do fast. Yes? Have you finished? Children, have you finished?
Yes, sir.
Have you finished or I shall wait?
Yes, sir. Finished, sir.
So once again, I shall recapitulate it. So while writing this invitation, I suggest you to jot down the inputs first. Understand? Before starting the final draft, you just arrange your points, the inputs. So what is the first thing? Point wise in rough. So first of all, you need to have a name of the institution and it should be written as it is given in your question paper. If name of, in place of name of institution, any other thing is given, any other name is given, suppose Delhi Public School RK Puram, DPS RK Puram, Springdale Dehradun, Vikas Vidyalaya Ranchi, any name. You have to simply follow the name of the institution as it is given in the question paper. Then the second thing, you have to write the word invitation centrally located in capital letter just below the name of the institution. Okay. Thereafter starts the body of the invitation. What should be? So generally it is sent by the head of the institution. That's why you need to start with principal, staff and students of, I have put off in centrally located, DAV Public School, Kent Road, Khogol. Another word, beseech. You just learn or remember the typical words to be used. It will help you. Beseech. Beseech means to request very politely, centrally located. This way of writing will make you can write in an attractive way. My handwriting is not so good. You can arrange it. Beseech your benign presence. Another word is benign. Benign means your calm and gracious presence. That is benign. Very nice word. Your benign presence on the auspicious is a very common word, you know. Shubh, auspicious. Auspicious occasion of its annual day celebration, and thereafter three important inputs, that is on, that refers to date, any date of your own choice you can write, any date, any date. So I have written 28th of January 2021. In, that refers to venue, in the school premises, between is from and to. So between, when you write between, you don't write from, and, because and is used for between. 9 a.m. and 4 p.m. His Excellency. Once again, I would like to explain that if you are using this word, only it should be used, or it is generally used before two persons, two personalities, that is the governor of any state or president of India, His Excellency. Or if the personality is a female one, you can write Her Excellency. So His Excellency Mr. Falgu Chauhan, Governor of Bihar, has kindly consented to be the chief guest. Understand? So the date, venue, time, and selection of chief guest. These are the four inputs they have given. And to close it in this way, your presence on the occasion is highly solicited, means highly desired. Understand? Another word is solicited. 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 So this is, and here you write left side principal and the right side RSP. So in this way you can write. You also remember the typical words to be used. You learn the spelling and practice so that you may not forget during your examination. So beseech, benign, auspicious, solicited, another word His Excellency. These are the typical words you learn. You need to furnish while writing this formal invitation. So this is all about formal invitation. Understand? Hello? Is it okay? Children, is it okay? So,
yes, sir.
So this is all for today. Tomorrow I shall take up informal invitation with its reply. So your every writing skill will be asked to write with option. If invitation is there, must be formal invitation, informal invitation. If informal invitation or it should be reply. So you should be all prepared properly. That's why. So this is all for today, children. So tomorrow at the same time I will be discussing informal invitation. Okay.